I've been using AI to grow my real estate business for the past year or so. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you everything that I've used AI for, and more importantly, what process actually got me more sales and made more money. If this is your first time here, my name is William Zhang. I'm a real estate agent in Austin, Texas. I'm also the founder of Real Estate AI Society, a community teaching real estate agents how to use AI to grow your business. As I mentioned before in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how I use AI, what I did, all the methods that I use, and what actually worked, and what I'm going to do next that's going to help me get more business in 2026 and moving forward. And if you want to get access to the AI system and prompts, how to do virtual staging, how to use Claude, you can get access to that by signing up to my free newsletter using the link down below. Here are 6 ways that I actually put AI to work this past year. I actually created YouTube videos using my AI clone. I actually use AI to create software both for my side projects and for my real estate projects. I use AI to create Instagram and Facebook posts. I use my AI to make cold calls and call any leads that I need to follow up with. I also use AI to do the day-to-day operations, things like running my CRM, writing up follow-up emails, and highlighting the important tasks that I need to do. I also use AI to create visual assets, things like creating a PowerPoint presentation. This PowerPoint right here is also created using AI. Before I was using a different tool. All of the things that I've done, and I'm going to talk about which one actually grew or drove meaningful revenue in my business, because AI is so powerful. We all know AI is capable of doing a lot of things, but that a lot of things, not all of it translate to money. And I think if you want to use AI to get more clients and make more money, you need to focus on what's important. The first thing I did is I use AI clone for my YouTube videos. If you follow the channel for a little bit, you should know that I'm a big proponent of using AI clone and AI avatar. In fact, I actually created a software, realagentclone.com, where you can just use a photo of yourself and a 30-second voice audio of yourself and create short form videos for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube without ever filming or editing. I actually use my AI clone to create long form YouTube videos. It uses my voice, my face. I didn't use a camera, and it creates videos faster. And what's more importantly, I actually hire an editor that can take over and use my AI clone without me filming. I just help them prepare the video, potentially go through a topic that I want to talk about. For example, one of the most recent videos that I created, which is why Austin, Texas is the largest home buyers or the strongest home buyers market in the United States. That one actually created a client, and we're currently under contract. I'm going to talk about the details or the results later on in this video. This is a very useful method of using AI that create leverage in my business. Second one is that I started building my own software. In a previous life, before I joined real estate, I was a tech consultant. I also worked in startups as product manager, which means that I have some technical capabilities, but I was never a great coder. I was never a great developer. I have the fundamentals understood, but now because of AI is doing majority of the heavy lifting, including writing the code, I started going back and developing products again. The realagentclone.com, you can start your free trial using the link down below. It's a software that I created using AI. It helps me create more content using my AI clone. And I think that this is a skill set that's going to drive meaningful revenue. And if you are in real estate and you want to grow your real estate business, there are some projects that you can potentially take on. For example, creating a home buyer app, a home seller app, a guide, or creating a website that's designed for your business, whether it's relocation, move up buyer, or move down buyer, or downsizing sellers. Before you need to hire a developer paying them $100 an hour. Now you can use AI and create software very simply by just using English and talking to it. Some tools that I use is Lovable, which was a pretty good tool if you just want to make a simple website and do a fast prototype, but I think it's kind of expensive in terms of its token usage. And now I've shifted towards using Claude, which is, from my perspective, the best value for its token on the market, especially for writing software. And I think a lot more real estate agents in the future will actually create more software, because now creating software is much more accessible. And I think this is a skill set that many agents should start learning on how to communicate with AI to create websites so that they can get more business. And then number 3, the third thing that I did is I started creating Instagram and Facebook posts. Because AI is really good at iterations and creating content, now a lot of my content, especially for real estate, it's automated. I can create carousel and graphics. I can repurpose from my long form videos into carousel posts, into single image posts. I also do virtual staging for all of my listings, so that any listings that I get, I'll virtually stage it in different furnitures to attract different types of buyers. And I also convert those virtually stage photos into home tour videos so that I don't actually have to go in there and film. I think AI is really purpose built for creating content at large scale, especially for marketing your listings and creating content that's going to attract leads on Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to talk about the results later in this video, so stick around for that. Let's go on number 4, which is AI on the phones. If you've seen some of my previous video, I also created an AI agent that calls my lead for me. Right now I have an AI set up, so if you call my phone number and I don't pick up, it actually transferred the call to my AI reception, my AI secretary, who's gonna either take you a voicemail and say, hey, William's busy right now, would you like to leave a message? You will also do a consultation on the phone with the caller. For example, if they're looking to buy or sell, they can actually book a time onto my calendar directly. I think that's a pretty useful feature. I do notice that some people, they feel hesitant talking to an AI just for a little bit. I think the next step for that one is that I'm going to make my AI to call back any number that I missed and start a conversation just in case, and send them a text follow-up as well. So that's really good. But there is another AI software that my friend William built. And he actually built this wonderful AI calling tool. Now I've been testing it for the past couple months or so, where he actually co-called my lead for me. These are probate leads that I got off counting websites, and I can also call expired leads for sell by owner leads that you actually try to book appointments, basically an AI appointment setter, so that I can hop on the phone or I can set a meeting with them to talk them through that initial consultation. I'm going to share the results in a couple of weeks, maybe a month or so. So subscribe to the channel if you're interested in knowing how that works. I think AI is going to do a much better job moving forward. And the 5th one, I run my operations on AI now. For example, using the CRM connected to Follow-Up Boss. I also use my AI to create Follow-Up Boss follow-up sequences. If you use Follow-Up Boss, basically it's a way to set up, well, if the lead came from Facebook ads, here's the follow-up sequence. You text them, you email them, you send them these messages, etc. I also created countless tiny little automations. For example, if I just receive edited video from an editor, I will just tell AI, upload this to YouTube and write the YouTube video description and create thumbnails. Before, that process would take me like an hour or so. Now I can actually just ask AI to do it for me, and then it creates an SEO optimized YouTube description, uploaded to the right channel with the thumbnail designed, and then it also does all the topic research for me so that I can basically show up on camera and start talking. Before, if I wanted to create a video, if you subscribe to my newsletter, I talk about it constantly, is that I used to spend about 10 hours to 15 hours per video when I first started making videos for my real estate business. And now for the prep time, I spend maybe 30 minutes and then I just film and then send it to my editor. That created leverage in my business. And I think this is an important skill set that we should adopt in 2026 and moving forward. And for the 6th one, client visual assets. This is a pretty simple to use. I used to use this tool called Gemini.app. What it does is basically create PowerPoint presentation, buyer's guide, things like that. But now I just use everything on Claude. I create buyer's guide, seller's guide, branded, ready to send guides, things like the best schools in the area, what you should do this weekend. All those lead magnets, all those easy visual assets that's gonna make you stand out, add your personality, add a little bit of value to your clients that you have a follow-up message for. For example, hey, I created a personalized buyer's guide for you. You can just create that using AI now. It's straightforward. It's just set up the process, and that's what's really gonna help you convert your leads and create more conversations. And so I think that's a pretty useful way of using AI. But now let's talk about what actually helped me close more deals after I started using AI. So here are 2 things that actually stood out from this wide range of things that I try using AI to try to grow my real estate business. The first thing is that content was the biggest leverage. We all know how powerful AI is. I am someone who loves creating leverage in my business. And I think content is the biggest leverage that I can get. Instead of calling people one by one using cold calling, I might get 1 or 2 connections and set maybe 1 appointment a day. Now I just use content, which sells one to many. I love making long form video YouTube content because the people who watch, and they watch for a period of time, they become your fan. They become potential client. And that's in fact how I closed about 8 deals already this year. It's all generated from my content. These are people discover me on YouTube and then they came to me, asked me to represent them as buyers or sellers. By content, I have 2 ways of leverage using AI. One is the real person content and one is the AI clone content. The AI clone content, I gotta say, it's working much better than I expected. Before before I started using AI clone to create content for me, I was a little hesitant, but I wanted to just dive straight in. So I started testing it for about 3 months or so, making about 2 to 3 videos a week. And now I closed about 2 deals already and have another one under contract after I started using AI clone for my YouTube channel. The main takeaway from using your AI clone content is that you want to create content that's kind of like a faceless channel where your content, your AI avatar shows up on the screen for a couple of seconds throughout the videos, but majority of it is going to be B-rolls, it's going to be customized B-rolls of the city, of the concept, of the area, so that you can mix and match it so they don't have to stare at your AI clone's face all the time. And so that video actually looks pretty authentic, pretty real. And then the second one is the real person content. The AI leverages that. AI help me prep the research and then create the thumbnails. It can upload the video for me. It can create a presentation like this where I can consolidate and crystallize the information that I want to talk about and build trust with my audience. That's what I think the biggest leverage that I can get using AI. And I think moving forward, I'm just going to dedicate and double down, even triple down on making more content, especially video content. Second one is that I also started using Claude as my AI operating system in March of this year. Before I started using Claude, I was using many different tools just to achieve the end results. For example, I will use ChatGPT to do some research and maybe write a script. I would then use ChatGPT or Gemini to create a thumbnail. Then I use Gamma to create my lead magnet. I would use Lovable to create websites and funnels to drive traffic and convert leads. I will use ElevenLabs to make the calls to my co-leads and try to get an appointment set. But now Claude handles basically or almost everything, because from my perspective, Claude is probably the best way to use AI from an agentic perspective. Here's what I mean by being an agentic workflow. It means that imagine using ChatGPT. You're asking ChatGPT to do a research, you will create conversation, you have kind of like a lot of back and forth. ChatGPT is not really great at just taking whatever you ask it to do and then just go through it and using like browse the web. You will not create this, you will not do that. Basically like a Google search engine. But Claude has this understanding of what you're trying to achieve as the end result. You'll use all the tools available, including creating PowerPoint, accessing the internet, accessing memory, accessing your documents to create things that's most relevant to you. For example, I asked Claude to create a PowerPoint on how I use AI to improve my business because I've been using Claude to actually handle creating the content, creating follow-up sequences. He gave me a really good draft and created this PowerPoint without me giving it a lot of instruction because he understands and remembers everything that I did. He understands my goals. So I think Claude is a wonderful system. If you have any ambition to become like a team lead or become like a brokerage owner or just want to scale up your business, you really need to understand and try to experiment using Claude to help you run your business. Having Claude as the operation layer where he handles a lot of the administrative tasks, he really make my life a lot easier. I feel more relief, I feel more leverage, I can feel less likely to burn out. So that's something very, very important too. Here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to spend more time creating more videos. I launched a very specific niche YouTube channel and I'm going to post more AI clone video on that channel to drive more traffic and then potentially expand another way for me to generate leads. As agents, we need to have multiple lead flow and lead sources if you want to grow and scale our business. I have a pretty solid YouTube funnel for relocation business, but now I'm trying to say, let's target move up buyers or move down buyers. And that means I can start a new channel and then use my AI clone to scale content that way. If you want to learn more about how to create AI clone, I actually create some previous video before. If you want to join my AI bootcamp, I'm launching a live cohort in July. I'm going to go over a lot of things that I talk about here, how to use Claude, how to create your AI clone, how to create more content and get more business. If you're interested in that, check out the sign up link using the link down below. You should take a look at it because I think this is a different skill set that you need to possess moving forward if you want to scale your business. Second one is build software in general. Creating software is going to be a skill set that agents going to have moving forward. Before, it doesn't make sense for you to create a software just for your relocation niche. But now it might make sense because it's so easy that you can create software by just conversing with Claude. If you ran ads before, you usually drive the lead to a page and then they sign up or book an appointment. Now I can create different web pages and different sign up flows and test out different advertising campaigns that I run just because I can create websites just like that. And finally, obviously more content, not just video content, more image posts, carousel posts, long form posts. Try to use LinkedIn as a funnel as well. I'm going to talk more about that once I get more results from there. If you're interested, 2 things before you go: subscribe to the channel, learn more about AI, and finally get my free newsletter using link down below to access my free AI course, AI prompts to help you run your business better. And check out some of my previous video on what I talked about how to use AI to grow your business.